everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to use chroma key in Alight Motion application. To use the chroma key effect in Alight Motion is a straightforward process, so here is how you can do it. If you haven't already, download and install the Alight Motion application from your App Store or your Play Store and launch it open. Also make sure that you are signed into your Alight Motion account. If you haven't created an account, you will need to sign up first. Now, once you're inside this main homepage, tap on the plus button at the bottom and create a new project first. If you are a new user, once you create a project, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Import the video or image you want to edit into your project by tapping on Media and selecting a video or image. Once you select one of the images or videos, tap on the layer of the video or in the middle of the screen like this, and this will open up the effect panel. Tap on Effects from the options and tap on Add Effect. Look for the chroma key option, or you can also use the search box at the top right corner and type in chroma key. Once you get it in the search result, tap on it to select it. Now that you've selected chroma key effect, adjust the chroma key color to match the background color you want to remove. Simply select key color and select the color of background you'd like to remove. Use the threshold or the feather option at the bottom for a cleaner look. You can just keep exploring until you reach your desired effect. Select the color you'd like to remove from the background of your picture or your video, and you will be able to remove the background with chroma key. Simply keep adjusting according to your need, and that way you will be able to apply chroma key on your image or video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.